Today I'm going to be doing a declutter video. So at the beginning of quarantine, I pretty much like decluttered this drawer, my concealers and face primers and stuff like that. Facial sprays. This one is like none of these mascaras have been opened. Also, I'm so sorry about my nails. They're not painted. I always have my nails painted, but because of quarantine they obviously can't. This is just the NYX Tamman frame. I think I'm gonna get rid of it because it's like really dry. So that's the only thing in there, I think. Yeah, this I went through too. This is all my highlighters, blush, bronzers, and powders. I mean, actually, there is some things that I'm gonna think about getting rid of in here. I'm extremely allergic to makeup. I can't wear a lot of highlighters, eyeshadows, and I can't wear anything on my lips. I've been testing some stuff out, and I found these natural ones from 100% Pure that I've been testing out, and I haven't had a reaction to them yet, but I will let you guys know. But yeah, I can't literally use like any of these products, so I'm gonna declutter most of them. I've talked about this on my channel before. If you guys want a more in-depth video on like my allergic reactions and stuff, you can comment down below. See, this drawer, I literally don't even like put anything on my lips, and I have so much lip products that have never been used. So I'm gonna have like 3 categories. I'm gonna have like throwaway, family, and then probably sell. I'm not sure if I'm gonna sell it or I'll just maybe give it away to friends and family. Yeah, because of quarantine, I don't know how long I'm gonna have to like hold on to this stuff. But yeah, there's like brand new stuff that I've literally never used. Like I've never used half of these. Don't mind those shoes down there, but literally half the stuff I've never used. And a makeup collection is coming soon, but I'm hoping to have this store pretty much cleared out because I've never used it, and all this money going down the drain. I went through a huge makeup phase like 8th grade and freshman year. I still love makeup, but because I'm so allergic to it, I barely wear it. So yeah, these I also went through a phase with like makeup palettes, so I need to go through these too because I bought so much makeup, and I've already given some to my mom, but like some of them I just don't want to let go of. Like this Kylie one, like I was obsessed with Kylie makeup because my name's Kylie and I've always loved Kylie Jenner. So yeah, this is like skincare and stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna go through this today, probably not. I have like some Glossier stuff, but yeah, I'm probably gonna focus on this drawer and this drawer today because those are the ones that I need to clear out the most. So let's get started. Let's do this one first. So I'm just gonna clear these out. My 8th grade self is literally crying right now. Okay. So here's everything that was in that drawer. It's pretty much like single shadows and smaller eyeshadow palettes and some eyeshadow primers. So I'm just gonna be getting rid of most of this stuff. So first off, I'm going to be keeping these 100% Pure products because I'm testing these out, and so far I haven't had an allergic reaction to them. The only problem that I have with these is they do not last on their own, so I'm gonna have to find an eyeshadow primer that also doesn't give me an allergic reaction. Okay, this is the color Cinnabon. Yeah, this is a really pretty like bronzy color. And then this one is called Sugared, and it's just like a more of a champagne-y brown color. And I also have a blush from them that I bought, and basically their products are like made from like fruits. These are their fruit pigmented eyeshadows, so very natural products. So definitely gonna keep those. Some of these things I'll probably just keep because like I have a connection with them, and then I'll get rid of them eventually. First off, a lot of these shadows are from Ipsy or like random brands. So first I have NYX right here. I have 3 of their like just single eyeshadows. I really don't need any of them. Yeah, I first have this one in the color Bedroom Eyes. This is pretty old, so I'll probably get rid of that. This one is in the color Mermaid. I could still use this as a highlight because I can still put it like around my eyes, just not on my eyes. So I'm gonna keep this one because it's light enough to use as a highlight. And this one actually like came out of the pot, if you guys can see that right there. Like I've never used it, but it's in the color Fireball. I don't know, I really like this color and I think it's really cool. So this one is questionable. Okay, I have more right here. This one is from Luna by Luna. It's in the color Jace. I thought this was a really pretty matte color, but I probably can't use it and I'd rather have a shimmer than a matte, so I'm just gonna get rid of that one. This one is from Dirty Little Secret, and it's very similar to the NYX one. The colors, the NYX one's just a little bit more peach. Yeah, this one is like that color right there. And I think I'm going to get rid of this one. Oh my gosh, I have so much. This one is Note. It's just a plain shadow from what I remember. and yeah, it's literally never been used in perfect conditions. This one is a really pretty pink color that actually, like, the thing is like broken, but I'm gonna keep it. The Balm Voyage, what is this? Oh yeah, this is a really pretty shadow by the Balm. What is this one? Let's see. This one like slides open. How does it slide open though? Oh, whoops. Well, there's a swatch. I wanted to keep this so bad. It's a cream pigment from Haircare. It's literally the most pretty thing ever and pigmented thing ever. I kind of want to keep it just because of how pretty it is. Like, the color on this is literally amazing, like literally so pretty, and would be so pretty for like eyeliner or something. So far this is what I'm keeping, and well, these as well. And I'm gonna be getting rid of all of these right here. So far, literally so many. So sad. I think I might keep this next one because I really like it. So we're gonna keep those ones for now. May end up getting rid of more. Okay, these are my ColourPop ones. Like, I feel like I should swatch these. Maybe, I don't know, I'm gonna have to question on those. Okay, these right off the bat, I'm going to be getting rid of these little Wet n Wild glitters. You guys remember when these were a thing, when like glitter was like everything that everybody wanted, and these were like a dupe for the Stila one? Yeah, I of course bought them. The Stila one has literally been used once when I was practicing my homecoming makeup, and I didn't even end up using it for homecoming. This is in Kitten Karma. This was literally the best thing like ever freshman year. And then right here I have some eyeshadow primers, which I have this Essence one, which, if I don't know, I need to find an eyeshadow primer that does not like hurt my eyes. So I have this Kat Von D Locket one, which is just a color correcting one. I think I may keep this because it's like a cool pencil type one. And then this NARS one I'm gonna keep as well. And then this Essence one, I'm just gonna give this to my mom because she uses eyeshadow primers. So this was literally so expensive. Okay, most of these I'm probably gonna get rid of too. This was a really nice palette, honestly, the Blush Nudes. I loved this palette. I may keep it because it's still really pretty. So this one's questionable. I mean, I'm keeping some of these things that I won't even use, but you guys, I can't get rid of everything. This Pacifica one is literally so pretty too. This is in the color Islands Life. I remember I was obsessed with this pink color, and I just thought it was like the prettiest thing ever, which it really is, and I've never used it. I've just swatched it. But this color looks really pretty right here, so maybe I'll keep that one. And then these two. This one has some nice colors that I can use for highlighting, so I'm gonna keep that one. Okay, I know I should get rid of all of it, but I just can't get rid of all of it yet. This is everything that I'm getting rid of, which is literally so crazy for me and so sad. I've never seen these drawers this empty. And I'm probably gonna end up getting rid of some of my ColourPop shadows as well. I probably should swatch them after this. I know I have even more. I'll have a bin for just my 100% pure because I'll probably be ordering more from them. Okay, I'm trying to figure out how I want to like do this. This is everything that I'm keeping that is not 100% pure. And then I have two eyeshadow primers. And then I have my 100% pure stuff. And then my ColourPop stuff, which I don't know about my ColourPop stuff. I think I'm just going to keep it for now and then kind of go through it at a later time. But literally, this is all I have left. And I'm probably not even going to use that stuff. But I just have to keep something, you know. I'll probably get rid of it eventually. And I literally hate how that looks. I may find another way to organize it. We will see. I'll let you guys know though. This is how bare the drawer looks. Eventually I just want to have like 3 drawers. Right now I have like 5, but yeah, eventually I want to have like just 2 or 3. Okay, next is this drawer, which I'm literally probably going to get rid of almost everything in here. Oh, there's something back there. I've been decluttering makeup for like the past year, so my collection has gotten smaller for sure. This is so much lip stuff right here. If I've used it, I'll probably throw it away. If I haven't, I'll give it to friends or family. I'll probably keep these too because they are brand new. So I'll probably keep those. These I will give to friends or family. Okay, let's go with in the front right here, which literally I spent so much money on all my Kylie stuff. And now it's just gonna go to waste. So literally gonna cry throwing my Kylie stuff out because I spent so much money. These two have been used but very lightly, so I don't know. Sweet Peach and Soothing Oasis, so I don't know what to do with these. I'm not going to sell them, I know that. Okay, this one is a Skin Fix one. I'll probably throw this out because I think I used it more than once. These two I'm also going to throw out because they've both been used. These are the Vaseline Lip Therapies. I loved these. This one is the pink one. The pink. And then this one I loved so much. This one is the original. And then I have the cocoa butter one in the packaging. This was the Rosebud Salve. I love this. I bought it from Urban Outfitters for $8 and it's really nice. Here I have more stuff right here. These are lip glosses and stuff. Really old when this was a thing. Remember, this one's called Apple Strudel. Yeah, okay, we're gonna go on to lipsticks now. I'm literally getting rid of so much makeup. What the heck? My friends should be happy. This one I've never worn. It's from Tarte. It's like the prettiest color. It's in the shade, this one, shade Salt Life. This is probably the most expensive one out of all of these, and liquid lipstick. So I have this CoverGirl melting pout one, which this one has been used and it just looks gross. So I'm gonna get rid of that one. It's in 100 Celebrity. A lot of this is from Gen Beauty, by the way. And I have all my Kylies, which I don't feel comfortable giving these to anybody because they are old and they're so beautiful, but they are old. I am going to show you guys these one last time. Guys, these are going to go in the trash. This one is, I literally forgot, Dolce K. Posy K, Coco K, and Candy K. I think my favorite was always either Candy or Coco. These are literally the prettiest things. And then I have the matching liners. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, this is everything. This is everything that's like being thrown away 100%. And then, well, these are too, but I just put them right there. Probably a lot of these lip products will end up getting thrown away too because I don't really feel comfortable giving people stuff that's been used. As far as like lip products, like eyeshadow and like face products, but lip products I don't really feel comfortable, and a lot of these have not even been opened. So I'm gonna keep these two, this Burt's Bees Coconut and Pear and Vaseline Lip Butter. I did buy them to give to somebody, but then I just never did, so I'm gonna end up giving them to somebody for like a gift or something. So this is literally so sad. This drawer is empty. Oh my gosh, what am I gonna use all this space for? Okay, I decided to not even sell any of my lip products because I really just don't think it's worth it. I might sell like palettes or something that's like more, but these have all never been opened. These are ones that have literally been used once or twice and they're still in really good condition. This is so much stuff, and look at all this great stuff that's going into garbage. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's expired or gross, so it's fine. I don't feel that bad, but it's just so much money that my parents spent or I spent or I got as gifts, and I feel so bad. Look at all these good products that I've never even opened, like NYX, Ofra, Makeup Forever, Too Faced, Smashbox. Like, these are really great brands. Buxom that I've never even used because I can't. And a lot of these I haven't even used either, which these are more random brands, but they're still really good and they've never been used. And then like this, yeah. I'm sad, but I know they'll be going to a better home. I physically cannot use these products because my face is just so allergic and sensitive to them that I cannot show me throwing that in the garbage because it's going to be the last moment that you guys will ever see this. My makeup collection videos are not going to be that great anymore because look at this drawer. Yeah, this drawer will probably end up getting rid of more stuff in here too. Like these ColourPop shadows, I need to go through them. This drawer could use some help. But I'm not doing that today. This drawer is pretty much good. Get rid of that. Guys, so I just went through a couple more things and I ended up putting like this L'Oreal foundation in there that I've never used. I've never used this Essence palette. I've never used this bronze booster. This Wet n Wild highlighter that I've never used. I put in like this Glossier Milk Jelly cleanser. I put in this brand new eyeshadow. I put in this Kat Von D liner. I put in like this MAC lipstick. Oh, I put in this Tarte. I put in this Tarte Shape Tape. There's literally so much stuff in here. So I'm gonna go through skincare right now, I think, and put some stuff in here. I also put more stuff in here. Like I had this foundation stick, which is literally $35, never used. This e.l.f. thing. I have like some milk stuff that was older. This lolly tint, which you literally can't buy anymore. This was like $35 and I've never used it. It just looks gross on the inside because like it's creamy. So I think I'll probably give that away because I've never used it. And same with this hair drawer because I just didn't know what to do with the stuff I wasn't going to use. So I'll just put it in here, like all this other stuff. These are all samples. So these are like conditioner and hair samples that I'm not gonna use. These are like towels for like anti-frizz. I'm gonna keep those. This one's from Dry Bar, so I want to keep that one. And then this one's from Sephora too, but I don't really, it's like a treatment though, so I'll keep that. Okay, this is a GHD Advanced Split End Therapy. I'm gonna get rid of it. I've never used it. I'm gonna keep the Verb Sea Spray because it smells really good. And I'm gonna get rid of this like Theory one. I think I might just throw this one out though because it just, I don't know. This is I like the smell of this too. This is a beach spray. I'm gonna keep it. This is a zero gravity volume powder. Literally don't know. I'm gonna get rid of it. This is a 12 benefits thing. I'll keep that. This is a Verb Ghost Oil, which Verb is a very good brand. They sell it at Sephora, so I'm gonna keep that, or I'm gonna get rid of that. Sorry. I'm gonna get rid of a lot of stuff from in there because I literally don't ever do hair care, and if I do, it's like a spray, so that's why I'm keeping the sprays. This is like skincare and stuff, and I really need to be more brutal with this. I literally only use my same skincare routine and eye cream, so these are just some razors for like shaving your face and stuff. These are my favorite ones right here. And there's like some perfumes and self-tanning stuff. This is to wash your brushes. What is this? I think it's a moisturizer, which I don't need. Clinique moisturizer, don't need. There's something like on this. I don't know what it is, but there's like a liquid. This is a Dr. Dennis Gross like deep cream. I don't know. This Tarte one I'll keep. This is like just a Clinique thing. I don't know. I just have like random little containers. These are some perfumes right here. I have this DKNY one that my mom got me. And then this one, I have some Loving Tan. What is this? This is a Murad Nutrient Charged Water Gel. Never gonna use. These are some nice skincare products. This is a like gel moisturizer, never used, sold at Sephora. This is like a weird moisturizer that I'm not gonna use. I'm just gonna get rid of. This is a Pep Start eye cream, literally gonna keep that. This is a micellar water with charcoal. Got rid of a ton of skincare, and those are all brands like sold at Sephora, so that's crazy. So there's like literally so much stuff in here. There is so much stuff in here, ranging from skincare to lip products to face products to eyeshadow to like shampoo. Literally so much stuff in here. Even like good brand, like there's like good brands in here, like sold at like Sephora. There's like Glossier in here, Clinique, like really good brands. And then there's some drugstore brands too that are in there. But yeah, this is all of the stuff I'm throwing out. So I'm gonna show me throwing it out because it's like kind of sad. I kind of want to keep my Kylie stuff just because they're pretty, but like literally look, these are like literally so gross. I'm just gonna have to throw them away.